Good Monday to you. Hope it was a good one and a good weekend for you. Decently quiet and dry. Good opportunity to kind of dry out after the rainfall left the area on Sunday. We're going to be seeing some changing conditions into the next couple of days. Temperatures will remain mild, but we will see the potential of some more severe weather heading our direction as well. I'm Chief Meteorologist Austin Audig. You're watching News 12's video weather blog, Weather Overtime, giving you an extended idea as to what's going on with the forecast as we go into the rest of the week. Lots of changes coming our way, and this is definitely a week to be weather aware, so keep it tuned to News 12 for the updates on that. We'll have also updates available through our website at wdef.com/weather, and of course you can reach me via email at aonic@wdef.com. Beautiful view tonight from sunset looking from Lee Point as everybody heads home from work or school. A few high thin clouds off to the west, and not going to be seeing too much more than that at first, but more clouds are going to be expected to head our way as we get into around tomorrow, but we'll talk more about that coming up in just a little bit. The next few days are going to again be giving us the potential of some problems with rain at first, Tuesday evening into Wednesday, and then Wednesday into Thursday we could be looking at the potential of some stronger weather, windy as well. Could be some fog tomorrow morning as some problems. Chip Chapman will have more on that in the forecast coming up on the morning show. No precipitation officially for today, and even though it was an absolutely beautiful day, temperatures back in the mid 60s, that was not even close to our record high, which was last set back in 1949. Add to that, it was nowhere close to our record low either. -10 hasn't been broken since the year my grandfather was born, 1899. So again, quite some difference in temperatures there, but a beautiful February day. Nice to have some above normal temperatures for a little bit before we drop the numbers in the next few days as well. Colorful view, not sure if it's sunrise or sunset, but thanks to Diana Homer from Fredonia Mountain in Dunlap for a beautiful view. That's our West Shore home weather window picture of the day. We'll be posting this to our social media channels a little bit later on, so stay tuned for that. And if you have weather pictures, send them to us at pictures@wdef.com. Find us on Instagram, Twitter, or facebook.com/WDEF News 12. High pressure down around the Gulf of Mexico, doing a good job of keeping things nice, quiet, dry, and stable. We've got a 1-2 punch heading our direction. The first storm system, a weaker one, this one will be moving through as we get into the next couple of days, heading our way to give us the more potential of showers and possibly some thunderstorms out that direction. Again, that'll be the first one out there. The second storm system, looking well back farther to the west, this one is going to be digging southward and then back to the north again, and as it does, it's going to pick up a lot more extra energy into the plain states, and that is going to give us the potential of some stronger weather heading on through. The first system moves through again Tuesday night, Valentine's night, St. Valentine's night, whatever you want to call it, and that's where we see again the potential of some rain showers coming on through, maybe some thunderstorms late Tuesday evening. Take the umbrella with you if you're heading out with your significant other to the restaurants and wherever you're going for the evening hours. The rain chances continue as we go into around Wednesday morning, and then we see chances of rain kind of dwindle by just a little bit, but then it's back to the west that system comes in from off the Rockies into the plain states, and that's where they get the room to maneuver. As they do, they get a chance to spread out, pick up more moisture, even more energy coming on through, and that's where we really have to watch as that system gets closer to us coming in from the west. Earlier on Tuesday morning, we should be looking at temperatures back in the mid to upper 30s. Few clouds out there, but most of the clouds should stay west of us early on and then overspread the rest of the area going into the rest of the day. But so far, Tuesday during the day and early evening looking good. Chances of rain move in by late in the evening, and then overnight into Wednesday morning could be the potential of greatest amounts of weather over northern Georgia and northeastern Alabama, maybe the potential of some thunderstorms in there as well. And then Wednesday evening, that'll see an uptick in the potential of more chances of showers and maybe some thunderstorms coming on through. Severe weather threat not for tonight, and again not for tomorrow. Tuesday looking good for us. Not seeing any problems outside of just some rain showers coming in late. Then on Wednesday, we start to see that potential for some severe weather well back to our west into portions of the mid-south and the Red River Valley. That's a slight risk category. For us, we see that potential again of just some thunderstorms, and again Wednesday into Thursday, that's about as close as it gets to us. Now anything past 3 days, The Storm Prediction Center doesn't give it a risk category. It's just basically a generic possibility, a potential for a forecast update out there of some severe weather, and we fall within that zone right across the area of northern Georgia and for the News 12 viewing area. So that's what we're going to have to watch, and again, that is going to be late Thursday afternoon and evening. It looks like if that moves a little quicker, we could be seeing that Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll be keeping our eyes on that. Now, 3 things to expect. Number 1, heavy rainfall. Through Wednesday, the first part of that 1-2 punch doesn't give us much of a problem, but then we see a much heavier amount of rainfall coming through on Thursday, including the potential of some locally much heavier rainfall than this model is showing, and that's why we're going to have to watch out for the potential of flash flooding moving our way Wednesday into Thursday, according to the Weather Prediction Center. Weather begins to get a little breezy as we go toward Tuesday afternoon. Could be kind of choppy on the way home from school, and again, Valentine's Day evening, that's where we see the really heavy potential of maybe some winds topping 30 to 35 miles per hour easily enough, which is why we have both the wind advisory for the western parts of the News 12 viewing area, and then back to the east, we've got a high wind watch, which will be turning into a high wind warning in about the next 24 hours. Watch means it's possible, but not imminent, and a warning, of which you can see in the purple shaded areas, already being posted from California all the way back to Kentucky. There's going to be several places that are going to be affected by very windy conditions over the next few days. High-profile vehicles will be seeing the potential excuse me, of some problems on the roadways, and especially east-west roadways could be seeing the potential out there of problems. Winds really start to pick up as we head toward tomorrow afternoon and evening. That's where we see that potential of those winds really going on. Fog will be the main problem as we get into around very early on Tuesday morning, and then the potential showing again more cloud cover coming our way by midday, but not seeing any showers. That will be happening after the evening hours, coming up as we go into around Tuesday night, again about the time you're getting out for Valentine's night dinner. For tonight, not too bad of a sunset from Island Cove Marina and Resort, and looking at temperatures, very much on the mild side until we hit about Friday. That's where we start to see the temperatures really take a bit of a nosedive back into the mid-40s, but at least we will see some much nicer conditions coming on. The best chance of rainfall after we get rid of that on Thursday will be coming up on President's Day. That's where we see that potential of more showers coming on through, but take a look at some of those temperatures. We're going to be going back close to 70 degrees. Reminder, it's still February, so that could herald the potential of maybe some more severe weather, maybe about a week or so from now, but that's still a little too early to call. In the meantime, some up and down temperatures, so be prepared for that chill on Friday, and looking at numbers bouncing back quite nicely as we go into the weekend and beyond. It's time to program your weather radio, and we can help you do that. If you'd like to know more about how to program your weather radio, it's easy, and we can help you do that. You program in the counties you want to be alerted for and which warnings you want to be alerted for, and it will no longer wake you up for a heat advisory in Miami or a blizzard warning in North Dakota. If you'd like to know more about where to go to for that, all you have to do is drop by our website, wdef.com/weather. Now, when nothing is going on, is the best time to get ready for severe weather. Teachers want to have a visit from us in your classroom, go to wdef.com/weather and click on Weather in the Classroom for more. All this and much more. Stay tuned to my social media pages for, again, a ton of information, graphics, pictures of the day, all sorts of neat, interesting stuff that I find while tripping out there over the interwebs. So good opportunity to find out more on that. Again, Thursday, that's our best potential of severe weather. This is the week to be weather aware. The forecast will change between Monday and Thursday, so now and anywhere in between there, things will definitely be changing. So if you don't tune into the forecast by, say, very early Thursday morning, you're going to miss out on a lot. So keep it tuned to News 12, and we'll keep you updated on that. Chip Chapman has your forecast bright and early Tuesday morning starting at 5 a.m. And don't forget to drop by wdef.com/weather for more information there. I'm Chief Meteorologist Austin Onig. You've been watching Weather Overtime. Thanks for joining us for Monday evening's edition, and stay tuned to much more on air and online through the next few days.